Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. We have gone through it. It is the second to last day of veganuary.
You got the tie-dye and the animal print going today.
And plaid.
Oh my goodness.
I got 3 trends working right here. 3 trends. I'm serious. This is like... We've gone through it. It's Maddie's birthday today.
Yay.
She wants pancakes and she effing loves these protein pancakes. She loves it.
We did these towards the beginning of veganuary and messed them up, and now we've got it down. We've been having these a bunch throughout January.
We have developed this recipe so that it is good. It was okay before, but now it's really good.
Yeah.
I feel like we hit the mother load here. All right. So, and I forgot my flour. Okay, I'm back. All right. So very few ingredients. These are protein pancakes, so you're gonna need some sort of a protein powder. Any kind will work. Today we're using this beautiful peanut butter flavor protein powder from Orgain.
So good.
It's delicious. So, like I said, few ingredients. So let's get started right away. Let's get started. So we're going to use regular flour, but I'm pretty sure you could probably use other types of flours like
Gluten-free,
oat flour, the 1-to-1 Bob's Red Mill substitution for flour.
Sure, you could probably use buckwheat too.
Could probably use buckwheat. You might need to adjust a little bit, like maybe more liquid, because those flours soak up a little bit more liquid than regular flour.
But we're being bad today. We're using this refined flour.
At least it's unbromated and unbleached and higher protein. It's like a bread flour.
Okay.
We're doing 1 portion today. So...
Oh, you're not having any?
No, I'm not having any today because I wanted to do it so that they would get the ingredients for 1 portion.
Okay.
All right, so it's really simple.
You gonna leave the measurements below?
Yes, I will.
Oh.
I always do. Most of the time. I don't care about the scoops that come in these things. They're bogus. For our purposes, we need to use 1/4 of a cup per portion because each protein powder is a different serving size, like scoop size. We're trying to make this so that it's foolproof for you. So use 1/4 cup of the protein powder. So whether that's 10 grams of protein or 20, you guys figure it out. I want it to come out good for you. So we're going to do 1/4 cup. We're also going to use one of these little cups of unsweetened applesauce. So this is, I believe this is 1/4 cup, 4 ounces. So everything's 1/4 cup so far. 1/4 cup of applesauce, 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of the protein powder. These are so convenient. Don't you hate when, well, you shouldn't hate, but don't you hate it when you open up a jar of applesauce and you don't end up using the whole thing, and then when you do go to want to use it, there's mold or something and you have to dump the whole thing?
That makes me sad.
That's what makes these things so good, except for the plastic. But the dogs love these. On the plus side, the dogs love to have their medicines in these, and then they take it and they're like, oh, look, it's like I'm at the hospital and I get a little treat.
I'm sure that's exactly what they think.
I know, right? That's what I was thinking. All right, and now there's only 2 other ingredients, and that is non-dairy milk. Today we're using oat. This is for Maddie, but just in case if I wanted to have a taste, I didn't want to do the almond because it would make me sick. We're using baking soda. I think this is what the problem was the last time. Baking soda will give you more lift because it's reacting with the applesauce. Baking powder is more for baking. You know, like it's in the oven. This is much, much better on top of the stove. So we're going to use a little bit less than a 1/2 teaspoon of the baking soda. And we're going to start off, I'm not quite sure about the liquid here, but we're going to try 1/4 of a cup to start. And if it's not loosey-goosey enough, we're going to add more.
Let's see.
Looking good. All right, that's just about perfect. So we have the quarter cup, half a teaspoon, and we're ready to go. Let's heat up our pan. So we're going to go on med. That's what we're going for. I have some beautiful avocado oil spray here. Even if your pan's nonstick, sometimes you need a little extra. And this says it's 0 everything for like a 1/4 spray. So the thing I like about this, it's 100 P oil. Nothing else added. No propellants, no gunk. Good stuff. So we're going to give our pan just a couple of minutes to get hot because what don't we want to do? We don't want to put these in a cold pan because that's going to spell disaster. Oh, look, my little ramen bowl even has a rest for the, how about that?
It's convenient.
Yeah. Okay, don't touch the pan, but put your hand over it. And if you could feel that it's pretty hot, you're ready to go. So we're going to try and get 3 perfect pancakes out of this.
This looks way thicker.
Yeah. It's okay, though. We're going to smooth it out a little bit, like that. We're also going to, well, let's try at least one with blueberry. I don't normally like to put the fruit in the pancakes because I feel like it just doesn't cook right, but let's throw a couple in here. It's her birthday after all, so let's make a little smiley face.
Aww.
Oh, her tooth's a little out of place. There
That's
we
all
go.
right.
Got some
Accurate.
braces. So these cook up pretty quickly, pretty nice. You can see already that it's puffing up very nicely. And we're going to flip it when the ends, the edges get a little dull, because that means that it's cooked and almost ready to flip. I got this new pancakes flipper thing. This thing is life. I love it. It's a big, hefty hideaway flipper, and it's nice. It's light. It's nice. All right, so let's see. Yep, we're ready to flip. Oh my
so
God,
much
it's
better
perfection.
than last time.
So we're just going to give it a couple minutes on this side, and then we'll be ready to cook the rest of them. All right. So let's get a little look.
Beautiful.
They're nice and fluffy and cooked. It took like 5 minutes.
Yeah, it was
in
quick.
real time.
It was very quick.
So your favorite way to have your pancakes is with
peanut butter and jelly.
Oh, I love it. We don't even really use syrup anymore.
No, not so much. I put it in my oatmeal now since we have this peanut butter that doesn't have like sugar.
Right.
But
the pancakes are pretty sweet because the protein powder that we use is sweetened with stevia.
Yeah. I don't want to go too crazy here since we already have the peanut butter protein
I don't
powder.
like to eat too many sweets in the morning. It makes me feel nauseous. So this is nice that we cut out the syrup.
Super filling. It's deceptively filling. Like, you're going to be eating this and going like, I don't know if I can make it. Like, there's no way I'm going to eat all 3 of these. Mom's going to have to take some of this, but...
Well, that's why I did the oat milk instead of the almond milk, because I figured she's not going to be able to finish these. Why don't you use the thing that Louie sent?
Yeah, I need that.
In the middle drawer. Okay.
Alright, I haven't used this yet, so, I mean, it's got to be pretty... There we go.
It's foolproof.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that, Louie. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Get a little...
That, looks so good.
Tore into that a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright, we got some...
Full disclosure,
here.
2 of the pancakes had blueberries and the one on top did not.
Okay.
That is beautiful.
Yes, it's going to be good.
That is a mound of deliciousness.
I'm kind of making a mess here, but that's
okay. That's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. All right.
Oh, I'm drooling.
Let's get a taste of these pancakes.
Jeez, I can't believe you're 30.
I know. I'm excited about it, though.
Well, I cried on my 30th, but I had 3 kids.
Yeah, that's...
It was a lot.
A little bit of a different vibe going on here.
Yeah.
Smells great. Mmm. Wonderful. That was really, really good.
Why, thank you.
This is a strawberry jelly for anybody who's wondering.
The thing that I love about those, the Polaner all fruit, is it is only sweetened with fruit juice.
Yeah.
And they took the seeds out, so you don't bite down on the damn seeds.
That's convenient. That's so delicious. These are like
Perfection?
really creamy inside.
Yes, but not gross.
No. It's really a nice texture.
All right.
So I'm going to go enjoy that. Because I actually am having this for breakfast.
Yes. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Enjoy. You've only got 1 day left of veganuary. Don't waste it.
Okay. Thank you all so much for watching. Let us know if you try these improved pancakes that we didn't mess up. And until next time, much love.